sabihin niyo sa akin na isa akong housemaid, parang gano'n na housemaid or housekeeping, ano bang itatawag niyo sa akin, that's fine. That's reality. Dito kami nabubuhay. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Just me, Mary. So anyway guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang buhay ko dito sa Amerika. Sa mga hindi pa sa akin kilala, ako po ay si Mary at bago lang po ako sa aking YouTube channel. Actually, I have multiple channel pero sa dalawa lang ako nag-focus. So dito sa Just Mary and my other channels, Mary's Vlogs, or Mary Bell Flights. Kung hindi nyo pa na-subscribe doon guys, mag-subscribe na kayo doon sa isa kong channel na Mary's Vlogs or Mary's Flights kung hindi nyo makita yun. Anyway guys, so I'm here at work. Just want to, before I start my day today, my husband dropped me off here in Hollywood area to do the work. Sa mga hindi pa kilala sa akin, ang aming hanap buhay dito sa Amerika ay naglilinis kami ng mga apartments, ng mga Airbnb units here in LA. So yes, so we've been doing this for since 2015. Diba, matagal na, mga 9 years na namin ito yung ginagawa dito sa Amerika guys. Napakahirap na trabaho pero kinaya naman namin for 9 years. Very challenging because mas and me work together every day. So ito nga, he's dropping me off here of the units in Hollywood. I have 2 units that I need to clean today guys. So hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung paano ko nilinis dahil matagal ito matapos at hahaba ang ating video. Just want to share with you at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang unit here sa Hollywood area. So, thank you guys so much for watching and sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking video for today. Wala lang akong maisip na content kundi i-share sa inyo ang aming hanap buhay dito sa Amerika guys. Kung baga sabihin nyo sa akin na isa akong housemaid, parang gano'n na housemaid or housekeeping, ano bang itatawag nyo sa akin, that's fine. That's reality. Dito kami nabubuhay. We paid our bills for doing this. We are thankful to the Lord that He is providing what we need each and every day. Kasi ang super mahal dito tumira sa California guys. Everything is expensive, rent, food, everything. The inflation is going to the roof. It's very expensive here. But thanks to the Lord for His provision, that He is always with us. Before we ask Him in prayer, the Lord already know that we need them. So we are so grateful and thankful for the Lord for His provision. So anyway guys, as you can see, I'm here inside the bathroom. So I haven't started cleaning yet. Ito yung mga dirty towels that the guests left behind. They check out at 11. So I put it up to you guys. I'm going outside now. Alright, so wala itong edit guide. Dire-diretso ang ating video for today. Ayan guys, so dito tayo, pasok tayo. So this is one of the units. Studio siya guys. Ayan. So, I think I cleaned this the other day here. Meron sofa bed. Ginawa ko ng sofa bed. At saka yung bed. Ayan guys. At ito naman ang kitchen. Small lang siya guys. Talagang studio size siya guys. Oh. Ayan. Tapos may ref. May microwave. Complete siya guys. So, ito yung linen natin. Yung clean linen. So, we have here. And then, may TV din. Ayan. At saka, dito tayo sa kabila, guys. Dito tayo sa kabila. Ayan. So, lahat dito, lahat ng unit dito ay mga Airbnb. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang unit na lilinisin natin, guys, today. So, ayan. Again, it's a studio. Ayan, hindi ko pa naumpisan. I haven't started cleaning here yet. Here's my supply. and my linens, and the small kitchens over there. And there's one CB behind me. Yeah. And of course, my cleaning supply. And where's my vacuum? My vacuum and my sweeper. Yan siya, guys. So before I start cleaning, double check ko muna yung unit kung wala ba siyang nasira or walang mawala, you know. Kasi pag may nawala, may nasira, i-report ko. And again, the shelves here is missing, it's broken. Ayan, nasira siya. You have 3 shelvings here, but I don't know where are the shelvings. Oh, andito sa loob ng cabinet nilagay. So, i-report ko to na nasira siya para ma-replace nila yung bago or aayusin nila. So they're gonna send someone here to fix it because we don't have any tools, so we cannot fix. We just fix lights, problem, lights fixing lang kasi it's hard to carry a lot of stuff, you know. What's wrong with the light? The light bulb is dead, so probably we're gonna change that. Since tingnan natin kung meron silang spare light bulbs to change the broken lights. Alright guys, so that's it ang ating video for today. And this is our vlogs. Just me, Mary. Medyo marumi ang ref. Nagnisan ko pa rin yan. Coffee maker. I brought some coffee pads today. Ayan guys. So, I see you guys later siguro after I finish here. Pakita ko sa inyo ang aking natapos na gawain dito. Ayan guys. So, I see you guys later. Balik ako kayo mamaya.